So it looks like we have a new warning from Samsung for Samsung Galaxy S10 users, and it has to do with your screen protector, and it has to do with people being able to get into your phones without you knowing. We're going to talk about it in this video. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So it looks like Samsung's just recently discovered a vulnerability. Actually, I think a user discovered the vulnerability and posted on Twitter, and now it's caught on like wildfire. So what it is that if you're using a certain, I guess, low-level screen protector that interacts differently with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that's underneath the glass of the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, those phones that use the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, if you have this certain type of screen protector, when you unlock your phone, apparently it leaves some kind of residue on the screen, and if somebody else was to come along and then attempt to unlock your phone using their fingerprint, even though it's not stored in the system of the phone is going to pick up on that residue that's left by your fingerprint from unlocking your phone over and over and over again, and unlock the phone as if you were unlocking it yourself. Other than the obvious craziness that our phone contains so much information that, having people just be able to access it without your knowledge is nuts. Also, there poses a big security risk if you have confidential information or information that you just don't want to get out in general on your phone. Presumably, if you leave your phone just sitting there, anybody can kind of go up and try to unlock it, and they may be successful based on the type of screen protector that you're using. This is the one time where a screen protector is not protecting your screen, or it is protecting your screen but not protecting your data. You gotta preface by saying that it's not happening with all the screen protectors. Some of the, I guess, higher level screen protectors aren't affected. It's only the really lower cost ones, the ones that most people buy. Samsung actually sells a $20 screen protector that won't be susceptible to this issue, but it costs $20. $20 for a screen protector. Either way, Samsung does say that a fix is incoming, and actually incoming pretty quick. Hopefully sometime this week that fix will be released and rolled out to users. The only caveat to that is sometimes even security fixes can take a little bit of time to reach users based on the approval process that your particular carrier has. So you may want to just check with your carrier to see what their plan is to roll out the security fix, because usually security fixes get pushed out pretty quickly, but they still have to go through somewhat of an approval process by like T-Mobile or Sprint in order for them to get from Samsung to you. So until then, if you're riding dirty, or if you've got some compromising information on your phone, you may want to keep your phones as close as possible. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Are you concerned about this particular vulnerability? Do you not care? Do you even use a screen protector on your phone? Share your thoughts in the comment section below this video. And if you have any questions, also share that in the comment section as well. So this video is one of our latest reviews we did on this Fitbit Versa 2. You may want to check that out. And this is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.